I'm sitting here and I have absolutely nobody to talk to. And at a time where I desperately need somebody to talk to. I've been working hard all day, trying for my people in Haiti and working my online work. But I got a call today about my HIV numbers. They're bad. And I qualify for hospice. And I had to get out that work about the killer being forgiven. And I couldn't deal with that. And I called later. Somebody called me later. They're coming. The counselor is coming from hospice tomorrow. And it's really official. I'm going into hospice for real. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. And I desperately need to talk to another human being. And there is somebody I can talk to.